Welcome to QCC, the home of hospitality. From our humble beginnings in 1957, we're proud to serve thousands of customers across the country today, supplying everything from a single serving spoon to an industrial oven. Our unmatched product selection covers cutlery, crockery, glassware, barware, kitchenware, table service equipment, disposable and janitorial supplies. At QCC, we've developed a reputation for our service and attention to detail. Our diverse customers range from small cafes all the way up to large hotels, and our focus is to provide the food service industry with quality brands at wholesale prices. So why QCC? For starters, we're the industry leader, representing over 100 local and global brands with over 10,000 products in stock every day. And dealing with QCC is easy. You can 1. Visit our mega stores, one-stop shopping with cost-effective and premium brands. 2. Let us come to you. Our experienced reps will help you set up your new venue and keep you ahead of the game with the latest product trends. Make sure you ask for the QCC Industry Buying Guide. 3. Shop online. You're one click away from thousands of products that will be dispatched from our centrally located distribution centres. At QCC, we have a passion for service. So whether you're opening a cafe or bar, managing a restaurant, running a hotel, or any other food service establishment, then contact us today.